That corner right there. There he was. He's right at your feet.
There he goes. Get him, get him, get him. He's hit. Don't go inside that wire. Good God. Good job, Bingo. Come. Good boy. Come here, Bing. Come. Good boy. Good boy. Good. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
First bird. There you go, man.
Is that a hen?
That's a hen, I believe. Can't see his head, but.
Yep, that's a hen.
Yeah, I hit her.
Oh, you dropped the leg. You shot a little bit low, but you hit the bird. You're on the same road with the dog. Now he'll jump. When you get close to him, he'll jump and try and flush the bird. All right? He's going to flush him, man. He's going to try. He's probably right on the edge of that, and he's on that tractor path on the right. Yep. I'm going to get over in here with y'all. Yeah. Whoa, Cross. Whoa, Cross. Whoa. He's probably going to jump about right now. Whoa, Cross. Whoa. Closer to the corner. Nose out of there. Get out of there. Ah, damn it. Cross. He got him. Dog's got him. Here. Come here, Cross. Come. Come. Cross. Come. Cross. Cross. Come, right now.
There we go. There you go.
Whoa, Cross. Whoa, Cross.
Dead on, more on those.
Cross. Whoa. Cross. There
There he
is. Get him. Oh, man. Fell down on it. What happened to that? Almost break it.
I normally get real good stuff on the waterfowl, but I've always just kind of bought stuff for upland. But, I don't think anymore.
No. Winchester double A's or Rios.
I used to buy those double A's to reload them because they reloaded well.
Yeah, they shoot better than those too.
Actually, might have. I shot both barrels that time, but only one went off.
He's looking right at that bird stand. It's right there in the corner. Whoa, cross. He's looking right at the bird. Whoa, cross. There you go, there you go, there you go. Shoot it.
He only got one shot. I'm gonna get ready to shoot.
He got it.
Behind
That
you.
bird?
Behind you. More to your right.
Hold on.
Cross, cross. There you go. Come.
He's
come,
got it.
Come. Come. Good. Whoa. Get. Good boy. I don't think I put it in that place, but it doesn't mean there's not another bird out here either. Whoa, cross.
There it is. I see it.
Whoa, cross.
He's back.
Whoa, cross. Whoa, cross.
He's on it. Damn, he's too fast.
Come here.
That's a nice looking bird right there.
Come.
They got an outdoor shower.